Hello, everybody, everyone out there. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. As una know me before, now me be Delta Tatafo Princess, the girl we know they mind her business. I beg, if today now your first time to see this YouTube channel, make you subscribe, like, share. Then make you click that notification bell so that if I upload any sweet ogbonge video, make you yourself make you confirm out. It's been a while I upload for year due to some reasons, but anyway how una dey my people? Hope una dey protect una self, una dey play safe. God bless you guys for keeping safe. For me, as una know, say lockdown don start. They don uplift the lockdown movement don start as from on the 3rd. So I can't talk how the 11 rules when they put for Italy, how the lockdown, how you go take protect yourself, the 11 rules when the day when you need to obey, you need to abide to. Now I can't talk about, as I see the news, I say I know if I keep on to myself, I'll still contact my people so that make them still they aware, make they confirm so that those when they be say if they trespass before, make them make they know as they wanted they guide themselves. Oh, I beg go make una stay safe. For me, I love you guys plenty. Now the rules be this, I go read them and I go still explain. So focus, listen good. Italy is now in phase 2, which authorities say means living alongside the virus with social distancing and other precautions expected to stay in place for some time. In fact, there are quite a few things we still need to remember. According to the text of the most recent emergency decree, each regional authority in Italy may adapt these rules and introduce additional measures, so it's advisable to check the latest updates on your local region's website if in doubt. Here are the national rules still in place. Rule number 1, they say 1 meter distance rule. Everyone is required to keep a minimum distance of 1 meter from everyone else at all times when out of the house, or 2 meters while exercising. If that's not possible, wearing mask is mandatory, for example, when in shops and public transport. They say you go give distance. If you go outside or you come outside, come chill out, you must give distance of 1 meter. And mask na compulsory, especially when you dey shop, you dey all this public transport, you must wear your mask. Then rule number 2, wearing mask. Wearing a face mask remain mandatory in closed spaces such as in restaurants, except when sitting down, or shops, or on public transport. In some regions, including Lombardy, it's mandatory whenever you are out of the house. You say wearing of mask, that face mask, I know say it is very difficult. Even me, I dey find them difficult to wear face mask, but that face mask is compulsory. You must wear mask, and na compulsory, na mandatory. Mandatory mean compulsory something, especially when you dey enter restaurant. Except say maybe as you come out, you sit down for garden, all those maybe on your own, if you just remove the mask, take fresh air, because it's not easy. But that face mask, as far as you dey enter any place when it be say they gather, you must wear that your face mask, including restaurants, all these public transport. If you enter Puma, you enter train, even if person carry you now dey more than 3, that face mask is compulsory. Then rule number 3, quarantine. While the national rules on quarantine for travelers have been dropped, some religions have their own requirements. Sicily, for example, is enforcing obligatory quarantine for everyone arriving from another region until June 8th. Anyone with a temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius or higher must stay at home. To access office and they say this rule number 3, quarantine. You know, say before, if some people travel, come back before, they go quarantine them to make sure say they okay, so that maybe they not carry any infection, come join people when they be say they travel. People when they be say they travel, come meet. So like that place, Sicily now, for example, now is say for Sicily now, quarantine na compulsory. If you dey come from other region, other places, they enter Sicily, they must quarantine you to make sure say until June 8th dem must quarantine you to make sure say you dey okay, you dey perfectly okay, you no carry any koko come meet people come Sicily. So Sicily to quarantine, though they don uplift that quarantine, if you dey come from any other place, any travel, any region, you wan enter another region, they go first quarantine you, but they don stop am. But Sicily na compulsory because even everybody still dey fear. Rule number 4, temperature checks. To access offices and public buildings, it is mandatory to undergo body temperature measurement. If it exceeds 37.5 degrees, access may be denied. The government also recommends that restaurant owners should carry out their checks on customers at entrance. Temperature screening is also in place for passengers at Italian airports and some train stations. You dey see am, this temperature check dey do me which day. If you dey go any supermarket, you dey go buy something, they go put that thing for your forehead, take check your temperature. Once your temperature, anybody the temperature pass 37.5 degree, they no go allow you enter the supermarket. If na boutique, if na where dem dey sell cloth, or if na restaurant, anywhere you wan enter, because now they don make am mandatory. Say restaurant, you know say these people dem dey like go restaurant well, especially restaurant, all these bars dem. If you wan enter, they must check your temperature. If your temperature e pass 37.5 degree, madam, oga, you no dey enter there o. So make we dey safe. In case you wan enter anywhere, they use that this thing take check you. No look and say na one big thing. Na for your own safety, na for everybody own safety. Once your temperature don high, madam, abeg stay your house. Oga, stay your house, because if they check you, that place when make you comot for house, you no go enter. And if you dey maybe passengers for airport, you dey travel, dey comot for airport, or you dey come Italy, you dey comot for Italy, for airport, that temperature screening na compulsory. Don tey whether they do am, no be today. Compulsory, na mandatory, say they must check your temperature. If e exceed 37.5 degree, you no dey go anywhere. You no dey go anywhere. They go make sure say they just keep you for there. Then remember rule number then the next rule be say restriction in your own vehicle. Social distancing measures should be followed inside your own vehicle too. 4 people can travel in the same car only if they live in the same house. If you give someone a lift and you don't live with them, they must sit in the back seat and both of you must wear mask. There are also restrictions of sharing a motorbike or scooter with everyone you don't live with. You dey hear am? If you dey travel, maybe person when you with another dey stay house, una come sit down for the same motor. Say na private car, like where they carry you, they go appointment, your project, your camp, all those one. You go must wear mask. That face mask na compulsory. You must wear am. And na only 4 motor fit carry. Then e say another one, motorbike. Like if you wan enter Okada now, my people Okada, motorcycle, when e get 2 leg, if you wan enter, that helmet where they share before, you know say they wear helmet to protect. If you wan enter, that helmet you no go fit wear am again when another person don wear am. They say make dem not share helmets together again. Now be this one, restriction in your own vehicle. Even your own motor self, you need to wear mask. You need to protect yourself, and you need to still check your own temperature before you comot. The next rule, no gatherings, whether at home or outdoors. Large gatherings and meetings of any type are still forbidden. You dey see am, when they gather, they do plenty party, you come invite 100, plenty people come party. They say they still forbid am. Even if they don uplift this lockdown, say movement don dey, everybody fit go on with their normal activities. No gathering. That gathering, because that gathering, through that gathering, you no know who gets the disease. Go dey breathe, this one go dey breathe. And you know say when one place don dey congested like that, everybody dey inhale different kind of thing for body, so na make dem still dey against that gathering, say that gathering is forbidden. Then no kissing and hugging. This one e just get how e take dey o. This no kissing and hugging, make I read down before I explain. This remains forbidden even between relatives. Una know say this country they like kissing well well, they like hugging. Small thing they don batch you, small thing they don batch you, small thing they don batch you. Now they say they no wan see you kiss. Even they say between relatives, you know, say mama and papa go see them must kiss. That kissing na their DNA, e dey their blood. They like kissing well well. Now they don't forbid them totally, say make dem no kiss. Mama mia, I will want to cope for this kind one. The thing tire me o, but may God help us sha. The next rule, disposable gloves. Despite being reportedly hard to find in some places, gloves are recommended when shopping and are mandatory in some food stores. Hand glove wey dem dey wear, guanti. Hand glove, Italian dey call am guanti. That hand glove na compulsory. If you wan enter any supermarket, any food shop, where dem dey sell meat, where dem dey sell restaurant, wear hand glove. If you wear gloves, e dey protect well well, because wetin person don go touch, maybe e no buy am, the person don use hand blow kata or touch any other thing wey no good. You wey no wear hand glove, you go use your hand carry am like that, na risk. So always put on gloves na to protect ourselves. We dey use am, dem dey use am, all these rules when they bring, dem dey use am dey protect us. So abeg, stay safe for me. Then the next rule, advanced bookings. Reservations are required to enter museums and galleries as well as restaurants, gyms and beauty centers. See, these museums, these galleries, all these restaurants, all these gym, all these beauty center where they do manicure, pedicure, where they go do like cinema, all those things. If you wan go, you go book down. If you wan go, you go book down. No, you know say normally when you wan go all those places before, you no need to book down. You just go, pay your money, you do your wetin you wan do, you comot. But now you go book down ahead so that they go give you dates. E go be like say when you dey go Questura hospital, when they dey give you appointment, they go come give you an appointment of when you want to go all those places, so that when the day when you reach your turn, when you get appointment, you go. Na be the advanced bookings. Anything when you want to go, they book down now, so that if they go give you appointment, if you not book down, say you just carry go, they not go attend to you because you no book down. Except say na that day when you go, they'll call book you for your appointment, so that make you come another day. Then the next rule, don't hang around. In an effort to prevent crowds forming, particularly in the evening, bars and restaurants are instructed to ask customers not to linger at tables for too long. You dey hear am? All those ones, you know say if you reach some bar and restaurant, people dey no dey drink, they no dey buy, they no dey chop, nothing. They just use body take put for corner, they do wetin, dey fume and dey smoke. All those kind hanging around for no reason, they no want am again. Na be this, don't hang around. Like, even if you go buy, you go chop for there, like restaurants and all those other places. Buy, if you reach your turn, you know say some people there, they drink one drink for like 1 hour. They sit there on top of one drink, they turn am small, they use am dey while away time. They no want all those one again. Go eat your food sharp, buy your drink, have your fun sharp, make you comot for there. Because the owner of those places, they say make they not let customer stay for long. So everything now, it gets timing. The next rule, may God help us. No nightclubs or cinemas. The government hasn't yet said anything about when nightclubs might be able to reopen to the public. Some regions, such as Puglia, are planning to bring in their own rules to allow nightclubs and discuss to reopen. You dey see nightclub. Now, no say this country, they like groove where even we like groove. We wear the black where they here, we like groove. They say no nightclub, no wetin they call am for here, nightclub no dey, as in when you dey go nightclub, like all those show where they do for night, they never allow am. Even this Pulia now, they plan. Pulia City, they plan to try whether they fit bring in this nightclub, because for there, they say groove for there not be here. They groove well, especially this summer. But at the same time, when they say no nightclub, now for our own good, now for our own benefit, now for our own safety, that they use and they protect us. So now they say for now no nightclub, because they know saying summer they come, many people won't go nightclub, many people won't go groove. They say cinemas and theaters are expected to reopen on June 15. Cinemas and theater where they do all this art dance, where they go watch movies, they go jolly, they go groove. Some people like cinema where they go look wetin you never watch before, all those things. They say as from June 15th, they go open them, they go reopen them, but for now, they never open them. So make we dey hope on God for that cinema, because even that theater, I dey go learn how to dance for there. So this one are the 11 rules when e guide this movement when e don dey since on the 3rd. So abeg, my brothers, my sisters, if you know say where we dey, country where we dey, if we dey abide to their rules and regulations, body dey sweet them well. So na for still your own safety. Dem no say make you no go where you dey go, but all these things when I read, so e not too big for us to abide to. So abeg, make we stay safe, make we protect ourselves, make we wear mask, make we wear glove, make we sanitize, make we dey wash our hand constantly. Abeg, in case you no know me before, na me be Delta Tatafo Princess, the girl wey no dey mind her business. If today na your first time to see this YouTube channel, abeg make you subscribe for your sister, or like, then make you share, make you click that notification bell, so that if I upload any ogbonge video, make you yourself, make you confirm am. And for those people when una say una dey find number when I want to call in, I don talk am. My next live video now, number go dey when una go take call in, because if you no know me before, na my name na Abigail Ugbede for Facebook. I dey do live, I dey come on live every Thursday and Sunday by 7:30 Europe time, Nigeria time 6:30. So if you get, I always dey talk about relationship, most time marriage. Though I never marry, I be still single, but no look and say this single girl come advise married women. Out of every nonsense, there is a sense. So I emphasize more on relationship. So if you get anything for your relationship, or you dey pass through difficulties for your relationship, you look and say, make you talk out. No let depression kill you, my sister, my brother. You have to split it out for people to give you guidelines, make you see people opinion, people to comment, so that make you know as you say live am. Remember, annoyance, decision when they use anger take, you know they good at last, the repercussion no dey good. So my sister, my brother, make you dey help your sister. Join me on live video by 6:30, 7:30 on Thursday, on Sunday 7:30. Abeg, make you like, make you subscribe, make you dey click the notification button, so that if I dey upload any video, make you yourself dey confirm am. Abeg, make you subscribe. Then don't forget, June 12th is my birthday. Save the date. Please keep the gift rolling. Lest I forget, for those of una when don dey make this channel dey grow, una dey make people dey subscribe, dey share the video. God bless you. I thank una especially. For those of una when still dey encourage me, Abigail, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Na small, na cooperation. I make right plenty for pot. 1 + 1 not 2, na 2. Hand wash am, na hand take dey clean. Thank you very much.